I traveled to Stewardson to see how the community's hard work is creating a new place for play.
It may not look like it yet, but spring is coming, and what better way to spend those beautiful days than at a park with the kids? The village of Stewardson has been working to fix up their playground for many years, and organizers say its newest version is finally arriving.
Kind of started off with just a simple Little Miss and Mr. fundraiser, and those kids brought in a couple $1,000s, and we were originally just going to do simple things like mulch and swings, but it kept being pretty successful. So then we said, hey, we need new playground equipment. Let's start fundraising for that.
Curry says the park will have a particular atmosphere.
I kind of just had this thought on we needed something different and unique here in town. So we're obviously a farming community. It will be like a barn and farm theme. So I reached out to several different companies, and they did a couple sketches for us, and we did what was in our budget.
This park is set to open soon, and anticipation is reaching new heights, or should I say, new slides.
I spoke with Stewardson Mayor Paul Antrim, who says residents are excited for what's to come.
Just this last year, we just repainted all these buildings and stuff, and already activity and a lot of people waiting on this new venture.
Antrim says as a family man, he's looking forward to spending time here.
But I'm a grandfather, and I like the fact that my grandkids do not live in town, and when they do come to town, they got a nice place to come to.
And Curry says this project means the world to her.
So over here in the corner of the park, there's a memorial, and that's for my great-grandfather, Gilbert Burmestead, and he did so many things for this town, and I've always wanted to also be a part of leaving my mark on this community. I hope he's looking down and smiling that, somebody carried on his legacy.
Stewardson officials say the park will feature a barnyard with a white picket fence, a cow, a chicken, and more for children. The town hopes to officially cut the ribbon on the park within the next 2 months.